Another logic is in Gatekeeper. If you mentioned in previous lesson, you learn how to copy your character in 3D with a portal. This character, if you go to this portal, exit from these 3 portals, and we have 3 character. If you want to reduce your number of character, you have to add Gatekeeper here. Its dimension is not important, but if the 3 character reach here, they will be become one character. In the setting, you can specify the past amount of the character 1. It means if you have 3 character, after that you have 1. You can add any graphic that you want. For Gatekeeper, it's not important. You can use any graphic. Make sure that it's a decoration. As you can see, we have 3 character here. If you go after that, I make something wrong. Amount of past 1, decoration. I bring it here, and okay, and as you can see, just we have 1 character pass. If you go back, you will die. Okay, this is on Gatekeeper. That's it. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.